皆さん、メクサムノイズしてますか？メクサムノイズ指数がだんだん上がってきてますけども、この時間でこれはまだ足りないんじゃないでしょうか。メクサムノイズ、それでは参りましょう。志保 VS 亮とレディーゴー。
To the window, fire in the air when I felt the wind blow. Ran downstairs to the neighborhood bum. Maybe he knows where the fire's coming from. I said, is that you smoking that dope again? He said, man, I love being with friends. The block is hot, and that's a fact. But I ain't the one who's smoking crack. And so I walked down the block to the corner store. But the man looked at me like he wasn't sure. Went across the street to my homeboy's house. He said, I don't know what you're talking about. Now it's becoming a mystery. Is it everybody else or is it just me? I know it's no smoking, that's for sure. But I gotta find out what the fire's for.
ジャッジに選んでいただきましょう。ジャッジ勝ったのはどっち？志保